If your hair is dry, which causes breakage, the key to hair growth is length retention. So we need to use methods and products that will moisturize, grow, and stop it from breaking. And this is something that I've been using for a long time, and it really, really works. See the moisture? All right, so let's hop right in. So, first and foremost is the banana. Banana is great because it soothes irritated scalps, it stops dandruff. It also contains silica, which is a mineral that makes hair stronger and thicker, as well as potassium, which softens the hair and helps it grow. Next, we have fenugreek. Fenugreek acts as a sort of protein. It has protein in it and amino acids, which help repair the hair, and it helps promote thicker hair growth. Of course, we have the honey. Honey, we know, is an emollient, which just means that it smooths the hair follicle, which conditions hair in essence, and also helps add shine. But it is mainly a humectant, which means it pulls moisture from the environment, which I love. Honey is great when you're adding it to any mixture, especially if you have dry hair, which is what we're trying to combat in this. So as you can see, I don't really have specific measurements, but I kind of eyeball everything, which is why I decided to record the whole process so that you can see. You can also see that I decided to use the banana in the form of banana baby food. Literally, the ingredients are just banana and water in this. And that is simply because it's less particles in there. When you try and mush up the banana yourself, you just have to be very careful because sometimes it can leave chunks. Anyway, I'm just mixing this all in, and I added some water just to help with the texture. You add as much as you need to get it to the density that you want your mixture for your hair. This is the finished mixture, and it does wonders for my hair. This is my hair, which actually just came out of a protective style. That style will be linked in the cards, but you can see the buildup from some of the styling products that I use. It's very dry and in the need of some sort of intense moisture, which is why I love this. So this mixture is great because it not only conditions and moisturizes the hair, it is packed with vitamins and minerals that promote a healthy scalp as well as hair growth. So for me, when I'm using this, I know that I'm getting more than just some sort of a conditioner. I'm getting a treatment. And I chose this mixture to share because it is very simple to do, simple but good. So for those of you that are having issues with dry hair and breakage because of that, please try this mixture. I've been using this mixture and variations of it for years, since the start of my hair journey actually. And with Afro textured hair, moisture is the most important thing. It's the most important part of the journey. I love this because the ingredients are simple, but they have tons of benefits. I will say, make sure that you wear clothing or a shirt that you don't love too much because it does get a bit messy. It leaves stains on the shirt, but once you wash it, they do come out. But I would suggest, wearing a shirt you don't care about that much. Not only does it really, really help moisturize the hair, it in a way somewhat defines it. I think you could see some of the definition in there. It's really, really a great mixture. So I like to start off wetting my hair. I get it as damp as I possibly can. Again, I'm detangling my hair with this. So for me, the more water, the better it is, and the easier and the safer it is to start detangling my hair. And then I just put in some of this mixture. I put it in and I use my fingers to finger detangle. I love to have some of my cheapy conditioners on the side. So for me, I love Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle or a VO5 cheapy conditioner. And I use that sometimes if I feel like I want to add a bit more product or a bit more slip. So whatever product that you have that you know has a bit more slip in it, have it by the side just in case you'd like to add it in there. So for me, finger detangling is the best method, and that's what I do. But just know the fenugreek powder, which again is perfect for protein and having amino acids in the hair, also acts as something that provides slip to the hair, making it pretty easy to detangle on its own. I love that the honey is in there because it's smoothing the hair, it's adding shine to my hair, and of course the banana is jam-packed with nutrients. I mean, that's why we eat it as well. Very, very happy about that. The potassium that helps soften the hair, and you can really feel that. And it also helps with hair growth. So when I'm finished, I twist up each section. I work in 6 sections, and this is how it looks. This is it done, and you can let that sit for an hour or so. That's at least how long it takes me to detangle. So once I'm finished detangling, I leave it in for an extra 20 minutes, and then I'm in the shower and washing it off. You want to wash it off properly. You can kind of see in this clip that I still have some in there. I realized while I was going to style it and then rinse it and do a second wash out, but it's very, very important to get as much of it out. So you can see I got most of it out there, and you can just see the shine and just the luster of my hair. My hair really loves this treatment. And the length, I mean, it speaks for itself. And this is it after it's been styled. Once again, you can see the shine, the health. You can really see that the honey has added what it does to smooth down the texture and to smooth down the follicles. And it just feels stronger and way more moisturized because of the banana. And it does feel strong and not too squishy and gummy because, again, fenugreek has protein in there. And it does boost up your hair shaft, and it does help with thickening hair, which is something I always am looking forward to. So here's a final shot of it. This is just my hair styled. I do have a video coming out on this. This is what I like to call my faux wash and go, because it looks very much so like I did a 4B4C wash and go, but I actually did not. And I love this style. It's really cute, but I just love the way that this product helps condition my hair and how it helps define my hair. So if any of you are in the market for a hair growth oil, do click the link down in my description box. I do sell a caffeinated coffee bean hair growth oil, jam-packed with oils. We have rosemary oil in there, and we know rosemary is great because it increases blood flow to the scalp and blocks the DHT hormones that causes hair fall. It has amla in there. I love amla, which is Indian gooseberry. Also promotes hair growth, also increases volume and thickness, which is very important to me. We have peppermint in there, which is another hair growth stimulant. It's perfect for the scalp and boosting hair growth on there. We have tea tree oil in there. We have sweet almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, camphor oil, cedarwood oil, just jam-packed with oils. Click the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys give this mixture a try. If you're interested in more of the mixtures that I do, please click that subscribe button because I will be blessing this channel more and more with some of the home remedies that I come up with that has helped me get my hair to where it is now, and it's going to continue to help me to get to all my hair goals. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!